In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed PDF on Webflow website, step by step. We'll keep it straightforward. We'll upload your PDF to your project's assets, then connect it to a button so visitors can open or download it with a single click. This approach is fast, reliable, and plays nicely with all major browsers. Start inside your Webflow project in the designer. With your page open, find the Assets panel on the left toolbar. It's the icon that looks like a photo. You can also press the J key as a shortcut to open it instantly. The Assets panel is where your project files live and are delivered from Webflow's CDN, so they load quickly. Click the Upload button and select your PDF from your computer. Give it a moment to process. If you need to update that document later, you can replace the file here and the link will continue to work. For best results, use a clear, descriptive file name and keep the file size reasonable to improve load speed. The most dependable way to integrate a PDF on your site is with a button. Buttons are accessible, easy to style, and far more consistent across devices than trying to embed a PDF viewer. Add a button where you want the call to action to appear, perhaps in a hero section, a resources area, or beneath relevant content. Rename the button text to something clear and action-focused, like View PDF or Download PDF, and style it to match your branding. Clear labeling helps visitors know exactly what will happen when they click. With the button selected, open its link settings. Choose the file option, then select the PDF you just uploaded from your assets list. That directly connects the button to the file. If you want the PDF to open in a separate tab, enable the Open in New tab toggle. This keeps people on your site while they view the document. Close the settings when you're done. Now preview your page and test the button. A click should either display the PDF in the browser or start a download, depending on the visitor's browser preferences. If the link doesn't work, double check that you selected File rather than a URL, confirm the correct PDF is chosen, and make sure the upload fully completed in the Assets panel. That's all there is to it. As a final polish, ensure the button has strong color contrast, confirm spacing on mobile breakpoints, and keep the label concise and descriptive for better accessibility and SEO. Congratulations! You've successfully embedded a PDF on your Webflow site the right way, simple, fast, and dependable.